Jonn Serrie has been at the forefront of the electronic music industry for over 3 decades. His visionary compositional skills have revolutionized today's contemporary electronic music. Along with his extensive portfolio of over 30 recordings with combined sales in the millions, Serrie's list of achievements is diverse and esteemed. He produced the score and sound design for the first interactive production on advanced robotics and artificial intelligence with Lucasfilm and the Hayden Planetarium in New York City. His music is used in thousands of planetariums worldwide. He composed the music for the galaxies across space and time, IMAX and Space Telescope Science Institute feature film about the discovery of deep-field galaxies beyond the known universe. He composed music for the hit Hollywood film What the Bleak Do We Know and David Carradine's Tai Chi series. His music is heard on PBS, the Discovery Channel, the Weather Channel, and the U.S. Navy Blue Angels. Jonn is a former U.S. Air Force search and rescue pilot with advanced instrument and commercial ratings and holds the coveted Disaster Relief Presidential Award with Valor for his flying in the Deepwater Horizon Gulf oil spill. His music is utilized in the medical community for sleep research, hospice spiritual care, and music therapy for autistic children. Jonn is a spiritual care volunteer for Hospice Atlanta.